Welcome back to task number 5. In the previous task, we created our claim offer section. And in this task, we will build the talk to an advisor section. For your business, it can be something like contact us section or talk to us section. Now, in this section, we will give our customers, our audience, an option to contact us directly for a more human to human interaction. So, let's begin. So, click anywhere in the wall, right click, and click on text plus buttons. And let's write choose an option that suits you best. And we're going to add a button now. Call us. And now we are going to add our telephone number. So you can add your mobile number or local landline number in this option. So over here, click on call phone and you can add your number. So I'm just adding a demo number for this for the sake of this project, but you can add your original number. And we are going to add another button, and this button is going to be leave us a message. Now we are going to connect this menu with this blog over here. Now let's create another block, text plus buttons, and let's drag it over here. Now this is very simple. When our customers clicks on and talk to our advisors, they will be given two options. Either they can call us or they can leave us a message. So now we are going to create a block for this leave us a message. So let's connect this one to this block and click on add content, and we are going to save the user input. The user can type absolutely anything and we want to be able to capture that information, so we are going to use save user input option over here, and we are going to save to. Now we are going to add an attribute, so the attribute is going to be message. So whatever user types, it will be saved in this attribute message. So please type your message now. So now we are going to ask our users for the email ID where we can contact them. So right click, text plus buttons. Let's connect this to this one, and please type your email ID, and we are going to add content, and we are going to save user's email. Perfect. And let's drag it. Let's create one more button. Thank you. Your submission has been saved. Our advisors will contact you soon. And let's connect this block to this one. And now we are going to create a bot action. So click on bot action. And what we want is anytime a user leaves us a message, we are going to notify the admin with a mail that says a new message from. So click on add action and click on notify admin via email. And let's edit this. gmail.com, and you can add your email over here. This is where you will receive the mail. And new message from first name. Hi, you have received a new message from first name. Message is, and now we are going to use the attribute that we created, message, that saves the user's input. So this is ready, and now we are going to connect this block to this action. Perfect. So this is complete. So that's all for this task. In this task, we build the talk to an advisor section, and in the next task, we will integrate with Google Sheets, and we are going to test this flow. See you in the next task.